In a fast-changing world, we specialize in smart manufacturing solutions, particularly tailored for the automotive industry's shift towards electronic vehicles. Our success is fueled by speed, expertise, collaboration, and a passion for innovation. Our comprehensive joining solutions include industrial dispensing, self-pierce riveting, flow drill fastening, industrial tightening, integrated vision solutions, and electronics dispensing. With our software solution ToolsNet 8, we also offer the possibility to track the joining process, collecting and analyzing data of our systems. The automotive industry's transition to electrification requires rethinking traditional approaches, accelerating innovation, using new materials, and leveraging digitalization and automation. Our innovation centers are the solution for these challenges. They serve as hubs for collaboration, co-creation, and experimentation, fostering knowledge exchange and collective progress in automotive manufacturing. Here, research institutes, material suppliers, joining technology provider, automotive manufacturers, and other partners come together in one place to work on the challenges of today and the future. With our global presence and expertise across technologies, we're your strategic partner for innovation. Let's innovate together at our innovation centers and beyond.